Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm DJ Rue Decay, and we're here at the Thornwood Bar and Grill today for a charity fundraiser for Child's Voice. And as you can see, we have a lot of muscle cars here, and they're waiting to get a bikini car wash. And it's all for fun, it's for charity. It's nothing really risque or anything like that. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about Child's Voice. Child's Voice is a program that helps children that are hard of hearing, and a lot of times they put ear implants in, similar to one that Rush Limbaugh got. And then it's an accelerated school program so that you can go to school with fellow children the same age. So that's what we're here today for. And well, we got our guy here videotaping from US Classic Muscle Cars. Take a walk with me and I'm going to show you a few of these nice vehicles here today, and we'll check some of the girls out that'll be participating also. Look at this beautiful 64 Impala here, white. Got some nice Chevelles here, late model Mopars, some old school Mopars. It's a variety here. We have plenty of imports too on the other side. And I know we'll have some exotics that roll in, but it takes them a little time. They usually don't get up till about 11 or 12 o'clock. So we'll probably have some Lamborghinis and Ferraris a little bit later. Stay tuned for the next video, and we might get a shot at some of the girls. I noticed they just rolled in here today.
Right in front of the computer. There's a unique round one up front. I don't think
contest. Yeah.